Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be unboxing my new S21 FE5G, and these are two covers that I bought with it, two of them. We'll get to this later. So now let's see the phone. It has 8GB RAM, as you can see, and 256GB storage. Let's go ahead and open it. Bismillah. Let's see what it has in the box. It comes with a SIM ejector, and one USB-C to a USB-C. And the instruction manual. So now let's get to the phone. As you can see, it has 3 cameras. Let's peel it off. Bismillah. Here we go. Now let's switch it on. So here we go, let's set it up. Here we go. The phone is ready. Yeah, that's the phone. Let me open one of the covers that I bought. Oh, it comes with some stickers. Some instruction how to put it on. There's 2 screen protectors and 2 camera lens protection. And here's the case. Let me go and put the case on. So this is one of the cases. It's a clear case. Now let me open this other case, which is a waterproof case. So here it is. It comes with a string. as it say here, waterproof case, and here it is. Let's place the phone. As you can see, here it is. Just peel it off. So this case is waterproof. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos, and I even just unboxed this new earbuds, so check it out. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.